Hey everyone, in this video we will see how you can create a subdomain for your website. So before starting, basically what a subdomain is. A subdomain is just a subcategory or a smaller part, what you can say a part of your main domain name. So how does a subdomain sound like? Let's say I have a domain name digitalavi.com. So a subdomain of this digitalavi.com will be something like, let's say xyz.digitalavi.com or demo.digitalavi.com, or let's say anything.digitalavi.com. Just put anything or any word before the main domain name like xyz.digitalavi.com. That will be the subdomain of your main domain name or the website. So let's see how you can make a subdomain of your website. So before starting, I'll tell you that I'm using Namecheap hosting provided by Namecheap for all the tutorials I'm making on this, and it's a shared hosting. You can find the link in the description. After logging into your cPanel, just scroll down and find the option of subdomain. Here it is. We'll click on the subdomain and enter the subdomain you want to make. Let's say I want to make test.digitalavi.com, or let's say tutorial.wp-tutorials. Let's say wp-tutorial.digitalavi.com. I'll be making all the tutorials of WordPress on this subdomain wp-tutorial.digitalavi.com. So just enter the subdomain name you want to enter the name in the subdomain column and just hit create. Wait for a couple of seconds and success. Boom, your subdomain is created successfully. Let's go to home again. Now we need to install an SSL or secure socket here. It's basically for security of your website or the subdomain or anything you have just So let's move on to Namecheap SSL. Okay, so basically let me tell you one more thing. So by the way, if you have created a subdomain by accident, or you have created a subdomain accidentally and you don't want the name which you have created, you want a different name, what you can do is you can just again move on to subdomain column, scroll over, and you will see all the subdomains you have made here. Now just hover to wp-tutorial.digitalavi.com and hit the button remove, and when you click delete subdomain, the subdomain will be deleted. Now I'm not deleting here, like you have to make the video further, so we'll just move back to SSL part. So now click on Namecheap SSL and scroll. Let's say you will see here wp-tutorial.digitalavi.com. To install an SSL on the subdomain, just click on the button install. Now hit yes, replace. It will just ask an email ID, install certificate. And yes, the SSL on this is in progress. It will just get activated in let's say just 15 minutes max. The last time I installed a SSL, it just took 2 to 3 minutes. So, and also you have to turn on this HTTP redirect thing. What it will do is if someone visits your HTTP version of your website, the non-secured version of website, it will automatically redirect the user to the secured version of your website. So we'll just turn it on. It will just take a couple of seconds. So I'll just pause the video till the time the SSL is activated. Okay, so now as we can see, the SSL is installed on the subdomain, which is wp-tutorial.digitalavi.com. So we will head over to cPanel and install WordPress on the subdomain. Scroll down and you will see an option of Softaculous Apps Installer. click on WordPress, scroll down, click on install now, and here we will select our subdomain, which is wptutorial.digitalaby.com, and it automatically chooses the protocol, which is HTTPS. And make sure that the indirectory column is completely empty. You don't have to put anything here. Now we'll put the site name here. Let's say WP tutorial, and we'll put a description here. Let's say get tutorials related to WP. Don't touch any of these. And now here we will put a username, let's say WP tutorial, and a password. Let the password be passed for the current time. I will change it later. And this username and password, you have to enter it when you will be logging into your WordPress dashboard. Now you can just leave untouch any of these. You may take this limit login attempts, but it's not required. Now you can put an email where you want to get installation details, but also it's not necessary. Just click install, and the installation is started, as you can see here. And boom, WordPress is installed on this subdomain, which is wptutorial.digitalaby.com. Let's just check it out. wptutorial.digitalaby.com. As you can see, WordPress is successfully installed here. So we will just head over to the WordPress dashboard of the subdomain. So to open the WordPress dashboard, you just have to put wp/admin in front of the domain name. Now as you can see, the WordPress is now opened here. You have to put the username and password which you entered during the installation process. We entered here WP tutorial, and the password we chose was just the default password, pass. Let's log in here. Now you can see the WordPress dashboard. We'll just log it out from here. Next video, we will see another tutorial related to WordPress. Till that time, stay tuned.